Yes, could you just tell me name?
That,
Eh?
where I start from.
Jay Sean Taylor. And you are there?
Sure. The whole thing. The whole, there's that.
Which number which number you play? Which number you have? Number. You know, tell us about this
First of all,
game here
we
too.
have the balance. We don't get away.
No, we'll okay, yeah.
My first half, we get chances, we don't take it. My second half, still I play, still I get chance. Then I last 3 minutes. Backline, keeper. Whole team mess up a lot.
You know, what was the plan coming into the game?
Coach give you 3 instructions. Once you lose the ball, get behind. 1-to-1 marking and kick shot.
Do you think you can execute enough of that today? What the coach instruction?
Only 2.
Alright then, you know, you have a young team, you know, only looking forward towards, you know, the rest of the competition.
Roll up with, yeah, make it roll up.
9 minutes.
Next match against Tinkel, win.
Back up punch.
Alright, good, thanks.